After you've filled in all of your trials with how many candies you have on each trial and graphed each point, you're going to come down to the bottom where it says find a linear and exponential regression that fits your data. So we're going to find linear regression and we're going to find exponential regression. After that, we're going to see which equation do you think fits best and why. And using the equation that fits best, how many candies would you have on trial 100? So you go to the calculator, turn it on, go to New Document, press No, go to Add List to Spreadsheet. On A, you're going to call it Trial. And you scroll over to B and call it Candies. Now the trial should be the same for everyone unless you didn't get to all 10 trials. For this one, let's just pretend that we had 7 trials here besides our initial one. And I'll just fill in some numbers right here. Of course, these should not be the same as the ones you have. Okay, so from there, you're going to click on Menu, Statistics, Stat Calculations, and then the first time you're going to do it, you're going to go Linear Regression, which is 3. For the X list, you're going to scroll down and choose Trial, and for the Y list, you're going to choose Candies. Everything else should already be set, and so you're going to press OK. Now from here, we are given our linear regression. So we have our y equals mx plus b equation, and it gives you what each of them are. So the m is 5.56 repeated, b is negative 5.37, and so on. And then r squared, which we will put on our paper, 0.89, and then you can round it to one more decimal place, so 0.891. So you're going to plug those into this equation right here on your paper. And you're going to put that right here. And your r squared is going to be right here. Now to do our exponential regression, we'll do something similar. So go to Menu, Statistics, Stat Calculations, and now you're going to go to A, which is exponential regression. So same thing, you're going to press, for the X list, you're going to choose Trial. For the Y list, choose Candies, and then press OK. And here is your equation for that. It's y equals a times b to the x power. And it gives you what a and b are. So again, just round to like 3 decimal places for each of these. And also record your r squared. So when you're finished with that, which equation do you think fits best and why? I'll give you a hint. It has something to do with these r squareds. Once you find which equation you think fits best for your data, you're going to use that equation and plug in 100 for x to solve for what your y would be, how many candies you would have. And once you finish that, and you do the other graph for the decay of the Skittles, you'll do the same thing. Of course, clear out your graph. You'll basically just go a New Document, press No again, and then repeat the process except for with the new set of data that you got from the other set of trials.